In this video, we'll show you how you can allow app installation from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have downloaded an APK file or received it from a friend and want to install it, you will first need to head to the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on more security settings. Now here, select this install unknown apps. Now here you will see a list of apps. You simply need to go ahead and enable the toggle next to the app from which you want to install the APK file. So if you have downloaded an APK file from Chrome, for instance, you can enable the toggle next to Chrome. Similarly, if you have received an APK file via Google Drive, you can enable this toggle next to Drive so that you can install it directly from there. Once you do this, you should be able to install APK files without any problems. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.